Right now we are entering the spidering bit in Harry Potter World.
Jack, say hi.
Hey Mum.
Is she watching that?
I'm sending it to her.
What the heck is that?
Right, Skinny. Right, Skinny. Bye, Nanny. Hi, Alison. Look, the birds, look. Buckbeak. Buckbeak. It's only been 2 years.
This is crazy.
Oh, going through here now.
Pitch black. Can't see anything.
Ready?
Spiderweb.
Look up. Look up. Look up. Look. Look.
Spiders.
Oh, big ones.
They're coming down.
Whoa. Wolf spiders, they are. That's what they're called, wolf spiders.
That's crazy.
They've got about 30 eyes.
No, they don't.
They do.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell him what the name of the spider is. It's a wolf spider. Do you know that?
Oh, that's fine, though.
Yeah, it's a wolf spider, yeah, it's their eyes.
So you want to grab my spider when it's heavy doing it?
Yeah, she don't like it. Then the minister is, she's cracked herself. Is that still moose? There you go, look.
Matched up,
Yeah, we had Liz, my granddaughter, she could see Lucy, she was terrified.
How's it going?
Let me tell you one secret about Hayes. He is just confident.
Oh yeah, very excited.
What's happening? What's happening? Gonna jump out or something? One up there, one there. One there, one there. There's tons.
Clever, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can turn your recorder off now, we're coming out of here now.
This is crazy, Harry Potter. Harry Potter World is crazy.
There's another gift shop.
Here's a gift shop.
Come on.
How did we go from
Right,
spider
you better
to a
film
gift
this
shop?
now. Turn it round the other way. Right, walk through. Walk through.
A train to Hogwarts. This is literally my first time ever being in Harry Potter World.
Can you stop filming now?
No.
Yes.
More sound effects. We don't have this, did we?
I'll take pictures first.
Yeah. You better take one bite, you'll know. Go on then. Let me take one bite, you got the boat.